Great investment property. 3 residences on almost 3/4 acre in Eau Gallie with a view of the Indian River. The 2-story concrete block home has a metal roof, 4 bedrooms/4 bath, huge bonus rec room and screened lanai. Updates include granite counters in the kitchen, travertine tile in the bathrooms. In-law suite has a living room, office, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and laundry. The detached cottage has living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room and screened back porch. The in-ground saltwater swimming pool spa installed in 2006 sets this property apart. Furniture in main home is negotiable. All interested parties must show proof of funds or strong financing pre-approval prior to showing. Please do not disturb tenants or walk on the property without an appointment.